Hi and welcome, I'm Guy Mawson from Lindy. Today we're going to talk about a Type C docking station which allows you to connect multiple devices via a single reversible Type C connection onto a notebook or laptop. A product like this is great for home working where you may be now using a laptop or a small notebook and you don't have the ports that you would in a normal office environment. This is a small little dock that then provides additional connectivity and gives you that extra bit of flexibility. This particular docking station has various ports such as the HDMI, which allows you to connect a 4K display, as well as a legacy VGA port. It also has a power delivery input so you can still charge your laptop and notebook up to 100 watts of power. We've also got a LAN connection for full gigabit network capability, 3 USB Type A ports for devices such as pen drives, micro keyboards, as well as a micro and full-size SD card reader. This is provided in a robust metal housing and has a reversible Type C connection on a short fly lead. The product is of course backed by a 2-year warranty, as well as lifetime technical support. If you've got any other questions, please feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.